Don't be eating stuff off the ground. Fucking break it. I think the guy said it. I mean, I'm sitting here, the dog's outside going to the bathroom, and the guy, I start hearing this terrible rumbling noise, and I'm just like, what the hell is that? And all of a sudden, this truck goes by, and it's like dragging the wheels or whatever like that. And I'm like, okay. So I say, are you done? Come on. So I saved the video because you guys got to see that, you know. And I watched him because he goes down around the corner here and go sit down. He goes down around the corner and onto the highway with his trailer wheels bouncing up and down like that. He would go backwards, and the last axle would bounce up and down, and he would go forward, and the fourth axle would go up and down, and it was just like. Like he's dragging something. Something's wrong with his brake system, but I think he said it. I don't know. We're gonna go down the highway and find out. Oh, shoot, man. The things you see sometimes on the road are just absolutely asinine. Let's go see. Okay, he didn't send it. I thought like he disappeared and started going down around the corner, and I was just like, I think he got on the highway with that shit. So apparently he did not. So. Oh, that was funny. That was something else. I thought for sure he'd gotten on the highway like that. I'm not in the right gear. Find it. There we go. That's where I'm supposed to be. Anyway, I just thought you